see if you can make some of the noises of the vehicles that we talked about last week. How about blue and white police cars sounding their alarms? What would they sound like? How about a big red fire truck speeding to a fire? Luca, do you know that one? What would they say, everybody? Honk, honk. They would honk their horn going through the intersections, and they would make noises like the... Yeah, that's it. Huge yellow airplanes flying in the sky. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Fast red race cars winning a race. Vroom, vroom. That's right. Drive those race cars. Orange and pink helicopters searching all around. Oh, make your helicopter go. Make the paddles go round and round. And a silver rocket ship blasting off into space. How about a yellow and green tractor busy at work?
Vroom, vroom, vroom,
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
that is a vehicle.
Now let's hear all the noisy vehicles together. What's your favorite?
Woo, 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 woo. Woo, 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 woo.
Or boom, boom, choo, choo, choo. All right, I'm going to give you the chance now to make some rattling noise. We're going to shake it. Shake it, Reese. Alright, I'm going to put on a song called Down, Down, Baby, and it's going to tell you to do something. Down, down, baby, down by the road, sweet, sweet baby, I'm never letting go. Shimmy, shimmy, take a while, shimmy, shimmy, pow. Shimmy, shimmy, take a while, shimmy, shimmy, pow. Grandma, sick in bed. We called the doctor and the doctor said, let's get the rhythm of the head, ding dong. Let's get the rhythm of the head, ding dong. Let's get the rhythm of the hands, clap, clap. Let's get the rhythm of the hands, clap, clap. Let's get the rhythm of the feet, stomp, stomp. Let's get the rhythm of the feet, stomp, stomp. Let's get the rhythm of the heart.